Beli pi baru season 4 ngap yang sebuah IP akan channel unang KHUBOR. Te pada ni ka result written examination ma jong post grade 4 kepada Jong Ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Social District Mairang. Dengan kandidat kong no. The result of the written examination for post of grade 4 held on the 7 February 2026 at Tais by number MRG DSC 13 2024 to 2026 26 February 2024 is hereby declared. The candidates bearing the following roll numbers are qualified to appear for local language paper test, which will be held on the 24th March 2026 from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Masawa RCLP UP School, Eastern West Hill District, Mairang. Dia pada ni ka result ma jong ka ni ka result jong ka written examination for post grade 4 ma la declare pertama. Dia ni candidates ba candidates ba qualified to appear for local kita ma candidates. The only candidates bearing the following roll numbers are qualified to appear for local language paper test. The deputy candidates yang qualified maupun appear di local test, local language paper test. The kandidat absolute March 2026. The kapor RPG hadu lai baje. The kacakapat kandai po Masawa RCLP UP School Eastern West Hill District Mairang. The pada begini rumba cu yumnya sa cu pejadian tu yo dan app kirim rumba jong prima. Tapi appear itu ka yuma. The kini kirim rumba gidi di itu gibala qualified ma ban appear gini ka qualified antu ka qualified ban appear for a local language paper test ma de pet itu tengok untuk ini important notes from one in compliance to office memorandum number pair 25 2022 24 July 2023 issued by the Personnel and Admin Reforms Department Government of Kalia. This is for information of the eligible candidates that qualify paper on knowledge of local language will be a descriptive paper of a total 50 marks, and to qualify for the same and qualify for the same. The eligible candidates must score at least 35% of the total marks. Only those eligible candidates who qualify the local language paper test and as per merit list of the written examination shall be called for the personal interview. Pada begitu ki qualify you ni orang buat akhirnya dia pada bagi marks ni kong knowledge for this is for the confirmation of eligible candidates. Kita beri eligible candidates ma qualify pada knowledge yang ka paper knowledge ma of local language will be descriptive. Kena bagi descriptive paper ban the total mark di 50 marks. Di 50 marks itu, and to qualify for the same, the candidates must score at least 35%. The eligible candidates must score at least 35% of total marks. Only those eligible candidates who qualify the local language paper test and as per merit list of the written examination shall be called for personal interview. Thank you to qualify for the local. Thank you to qualify ini ka local language paper test. And as per merit list of the written examination shall be called for personal interview. Ini kunci kau no. Qualified candidates must bring the admit card of the written examination, ID card, blue pen, ruler. Untuk mah. Qualified candidates must bring the admit card of the written examination, ID card, blue pen, ruler, eraser, extra for the local language paper test. Daripada itu qualified candidates mah pihak pemerintah ki debit card trong pi ma debit card trong written examination trong pi the ID card, the blue pen, ruler, eraser extra for the local language paper test ma. Te please ni pi bro ini video ma te angkat pada pi share, like, subscribe. Te please ni pi bro.